Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to buy ORDI on Binance. It's quite easy to get this done. To purchase the ordinals, you're going to need an account on Binance. If you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, in order to buy the ORDI, all you have to do is simply click on the deposit icon, that's with your verified account. Once you've selected the deposit, you could either deposit crypto or your fiat currency that's based on your local currency. If you're from Australia, the Australian dollar works. If you're from Colombia, the Colombian pesos work. Euro, GBP, all those fiat currencies work. You could also deposit crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, BNB. Whatever cryptocurrency is being available or made available on Binance, you can deposit it here and get the ORDI. So let's say you've deposited your crypto or your fiat like the GBP. All you need to do is enter your banking details and it's going to be taken from there. That's your debit card information. It's going to be taken from there and deposited in your Binance. So guys, let's say you've deposited some cryptocurrency, for example Bitcoin. All you need to do is simply search for the Bitcoin and using any of the available networks, deposit your Bitcoin on Binance. Once you've done this, head over to the wallet section at the bottom right. Scroll to the spot wallet or funding, depending on where your crypto is stored. As you can see, I've got $1 worth of Bitcoin. How do I turn this into the ordinals? Click on the home section where we have convert. Click on convert and simply use the Bitcoin. Click on Bitcoin and simply search for ORDI. That's the ordinals. Click on ordinals, click on max, click on preview conversion, and simply click on convert. By doing this, we've successfully purchased the ORDI token. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.